Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up ChatGPT with your Siri in any iPhone. You guys can see here, this is my iPhone 16 series here. So I'll show you how you can get the ChatGPT with Siri. As you guys can see here with the new technology, I'm getting the visual intelligence from the Apple so that I can use the ChatGPT using ask button here, and it says asking ChatGPT with Siri, so we can ask about more details, and it's looking for the things iPhone shows here. An older model recognizes its sleek aluminum design, as you guys can see here, right? So it says it's like iPhone 6. It looks like iPhone 6. So it's the chat GPT with the Siri. So how you can set up your chat GPT with the Siri, I'll show you. First of all, just simply jump to the settings of the iPhone, right? So here just swipe up all the way up to general, and you will see the software update and general section. So here make sure you update on iOS 18.2. If you haven't, you will not be able to get the latest setup with the Siri of ChatGPT, right? So first of all, update your iPhone, and you will see uh, Apple Intelligence and Siri in the settings main page. Make sure you open this. If you're not getting Apple Intelligence in your iPhone, don't worry. I'll show you at the end how you can still get the ChatGPT. So you're getting Apple Intelligence, make sure you set up with Apple Intelligence. Everything done. You guys can see here it shows extensions. Hit on ChatGPT. So here I have already signed in. I'll click on sign out and I'll do setup for you again. So I'll turn off my setup here, and here you will be able to see like same page in your case. Click on setup. Here you guys can see it shows ChatGPT. So it says integrates with Siri, more visual intelligence, and support for ChatGPT with the Siri. Hit on next, and privacy and ChatGPT. It shows the page. Click on sign in, and now the ChatGPT sign in page will open. Make sure you authenticate your face ID or password with yourself, and this page will be logged in, and you are good to go. After signing in, your account will be signed in and you are good to go. You are able to use the chat gpt, and you are like seamlessly you are able to grab your history and stuff whatever you have searched for using the Apple iPhones, and ChatGPT integrates in the Siri. So now here you guys can see here, in anything you need to search with Siri, you can you can say, hey Siri, search iPhone X with ChatGPT. So there you go. It will start working on um, with ChatGPT with the given given option like what we have gave the command, and it will give you the resources, and you can open this and ChatGPT app will open, right? So okay, so the for the users which don't have support for Apple AI, how they can get the ChatGPT? So just open the App Store and simply download this app ChatGPT. Make sure you download it from the developer which is known as OpenAI, the official app from OpenAI. So that's the developer, and make sure you download the only this app. So this is the application. Before iOS 18.2, before the integration of ChatGPT with Siri, I was using this app, and you guys can see here I'm doing everything, all the searches on my ChatGPT. So I was using this since long time. So you can download the app in order to use ChatGPT, and you can also sign in your account in the ChatGPT application so that you can get the histories and the seamless experience. So that was the simple fix. Hope you guys find this matter helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much, guys. Peace.